Good morning, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I'm about to head off and play some golf and then watch some football and probably eat some food. Looks like I had a layer shifter or something there, maybe. But this is in that new Zyro filament. This is a PLA fast gradient mat. So I also got an order in last night for a large one of these. This is going to be the medium. I'm going to make 3 versions, a small, medium, and a large. This is scaled at 100%. The large is going to be 125%, and I think I'm going to do the small at 75%. So I'm going to start that. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Monday morning. About to be heading off to work. Finishing up this order. Should be done later on tonight when I get home. I'm probably going to take it off the build plate tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning. But hopefully there's no mess ups tonight. I don't think I see anything going on, which is good. Again, I'm all about customer service and I don't want to send out anything bad. Oh my God. I may have an issue right here. What the hell? Oh, I'm gonna let this finish up and see what it looks like. But that right there is unacceptable to me. So, looks like this is gonna be a failed print, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it finish and see what it looks like when it's finished. But I'm extremely PO'd right now. But that's just me. So, had these little guys printed up. Showed you guys these yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking some photos, get a short ready for them. And that's gonna be it for today. I may show you guys what's going on tonight. I don't know. Christmas is a few days away and I still have to do some grocery shopping. I am the cook in the family, so I'm gonna be smoking a ham, double smoking a ham. I'm gonna be deep frying a turkey, making homemade mac and cheese, a bunch of other things. What are you guys eating for Christmas? Let me know in the comments. Let me see some food. Let me see what you guys are all eating. Let me see your food, your presents. I mean, come on, show me what you guys got. If I get anything, I'll show you guys. I really don't want anything for Christmas. My Christmas present to everybody is I cook everything, but I am going to do all these for the little kids. So that's probably going to be it for today. If I do speak to you guys tonight, awesome. If not, peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Tuesday morning. This is finishing up. Have about another 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours and 13 minutes. I'm about to be heading off to work. It's another long day at work. So we're going to let this bad boy finish up and see what it looks like whenever it's done later on tonight. But I don't have much for today because it's going to be a long day for me at work. And again, I will not be home until probably about 8 o'clock tonight. So that's probably going to be it for today, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve. So peace. Good afternoon. So this guy finally finished up. Let's see what he looks like. So it looks good. Doesn't look like I have any other issues that I can see except for the foot right here. A little cut in it. I have no idea what the hell happened there. But other than that, man, this thing looks absolutely amazing. So like I said, this is scaled up 125%. And that one's at 100%. Look at the head difference. So I'm going to do a side-by-side once I get this taken off the plate, get some pictures taken, and we'll go from there. But for today, I'm going to be finishing up doing some more boxes so I can put some of these little cuties in them. But that's going to be it for this morning. I will talk to you guys later, probably tomorrow. You guys have a good day. Peace. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Thursday, end of Christmas Day. I hope everyone had a very good Christmas. I hope you guys got presents that you wanted. I hope you guys ate a lot of food. Family time is very important to everyone. So make sure you guys do plenty of that around the holidays. So I printed these up because I had an online order, and one of their daughters are a big Killer Whale Orca fan. So I printed these up just for them. So I'm gonna add them to our little cuties, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that packed. I actually already have it packed right there in that box. It's that rhino, except scaled up 25%. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that sent out today. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna get it sent out tomorrow. And I have a long day at work tomorrow, and I will probably talk to you guys later on tomorrow afternoon. But until then, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a Friday afternoon. Just got out of work. I am printing a cow it's a Highland cow for my shop. I need to focus on getting my shop up and running 100%. I'm not 100% happy with it. I only have a few dragons on there and a few articulated animals, but I do want to get my shop up and running 100%. So let's talk about that a little bit. So let's talk about everybody's goals for 2026. Like I said, I currently have a full-time job. I really don't need to do this. I just came into the hobby. I just came into the hobby of 3D printing, and as much money as I spent on filament, I decided to open up a shop to try to recoup some of my money. So again, 2026, I want to focus on getting my shop better at the beginning of 2026. I'm going to be adding more products on my shop throughout the rest of this month and the beginning of next month. By the end of next month, I want to have at least 30 different items. I at least want to have about 20 to 30 different items on my shop to sell. But like I said, most of this is just to recoup from buying all this. So let me know what your guys' plans are for 2026. What do you plan on doing? Whether you're doing 3D printing or you're doing something else. What are your guys' goals? What is it that you want to do? What is it that you have been wanting to do and you are deciding, hey, should I take the leap and do it or not? Mine is getting my shop up and running 100%. And 3D printing everything on demand. Like I said, if I get sales, I get sales. If I don't get sales, I don't get sales. In the meantime, I'll just print things that I want and things for other people around the house, at work, anybody. So that's that. For Christmas, I gave all the kids these little minis, some of them that you see here on the table. They absolutely love them. I think the adults like the minis a lot more than the kids did, but again, what person doesn't like these little cute things? They're awesome. They're cool to play with. They're just fun in general to have around. But yeah, in the comments, let me know what you guys are. What goals did you set for 2025? Did you meet them already? And what goals do you have for 2026? Let me know. Like I said, mine is to get my shop up and running the best that I can and just keep printing. I thought I would eventually get bored of doing this, but I don't. I mean, you're creating things out of plastic that is really cool. So that is more than likely going to be it for this week's vlog. I do work tomorrow on Saturday, Sunday, still football, so we're going to be going over to family members' house, watching some football, eating some food like always. But Saturday I work all day, and I'm probably going to spend the day editing this video and figuring out what I'm printing next to put on the shop. So if you guys have seen my shop, if not, check it out. It is redfinprints.com. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know pricing, what you guys think about pricing, if there's something that I should change, something I should add. It's still not 100%, and I still want to go in and fix it up a little bit. But again, that is going to be it for this week's vlog. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hope you guys had a very good Christmas yesterday, and Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I hope in the future to make these videos a lot better. I want to take you guys on my endeavors of trying to start a 3D print business as a side hustle. But that is going to be it for this week's vlog. You guys have a wonderful day, and as always, print on, my friends. Peace.